teka muna. Saan ba ito galing?
National Bookstore.
You bought it in National Bookstore.
Son, I wish I will get number 1. Ikaw, me, man. 1 to
You
6.
guess Mirella is number 1.
You.
Me, I guess number 6. You know, you make up. Okay, open it.
This tape. Oh my goodness. Why did it put tape on everything? On my gift, on my new bag. Oh gosh.
It's a surprise toy kasi.
Sakit! Ouch! Ouch! Wait lang.
I'll help you.
Now. I change it to number 3.
Number 3 ka? Okay, sige. Number 6 ah. Sige. Ay, you saw it na. Dayan, ito
Oh,
talaga.
this has a hat.
So, walang tama sa amin. Number 3 yun
Oh,
na
she has a soda. She has a soda.
So, na.
This.